Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Open Google Photos and confirm you're signed into the account holding the images you want to share. Now select the photos, tap individual items, or long press to choose multiples. Create an album if grouping is helpful. Once done, look at the top bar for share options and ensure your device is online so full-resolution images are available. This avoids sending placeholders and makes the next steps smooth and fast. Next, decide how you'll share and why. If you want private access, choose a contact or an email and invite them directly. Shared albums are great for ongoing photo collection and collaboration. If you need a quick, broad share, create a link. Link sharing is simple, but remember, anyone with the link can view. Once you choose, adjust access settings, add a message, and press send or create. These choices control privacy and who can contribute back. Finish by confirming the recipient can view the photos. Ask them to open the link or check their shared library invites. Make sure album permissions match your intent. You can toggle collaborator or view only access in settings. If someone reports missing images, check your backup and sync status. Paused uploads cause placeholders. Upload originals or resend the share link after syncing. One quick troubleshooting tip. Force a sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.